Hey there, let's talk about a fun card game called Bestia. In Bestia, we play with a deck of cards, and everyone aims to get as close to 31 points as possible. Each card has a number, and you can add up the numbers to get your score. Aces are special because they count as 11 points, which is awesome. Kings, queens, and jacks are worth 10 points each. All other cards are worth the number on them. The interesting twist in this game is that you can only use cards of the same suit to add up your score. Everyone starts with 3 cards, and on your turn, you can swap a card or keep your hand. If you think you have the highest score close to 31, you can say Bestia, and everyone else gets one more turn. The player with the highest score wins, but be careful not to go over 31, or you'll be bust. That's when you lose your bet for that round. Playing Bestia is simple and a great way to spend time with friends, while also practicing a little math.